Okay, we're going to put our yeast powder into our milk, warm milk. Don't worry about the ingredients because I'll leave them in the description below. I like to add my sugar with this. Helps the yeast. A little bit of butter. The rest of it I'll put into the batter. We're going to set this aside in the microwave, let this come to, whoa. Okay, we're going to start with the wet ingredients. We're going to start with the butter. We're going to start with the eggs. Add some nutmeg with this. The rest of the sugar with this. And some vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix. And so we're just going to mix this well together. Okay, and now you can see where our yeast is foamed up. Time to put this into the, okay. And we're just going to mix this well together. This is where I want to pour in the rest of the batter here. Goes in there, then we're going to switch to our spatula to stir this with because it gets much harder to stir with the whisk on this. Now we're not using an electric mixer or anything, so it's going to be a little bit more elbow grease muscle. Okay, here comes the fun part, kneading the dough. And you got to keep kneading it. Put it back in the same bowl it came out of. I'm not going to clean it out or nothing. I'm just going to stick this in there. Put it like that. Kind of spray that. Okay, we'll come back with it. Okay, we're going to take a look at that. It's already swollen in size, so we're just going to take this out. Okay, I'm going to cut this. Okay, we're going to start with this little ball. We're going to roll this out, and then we're going to do little mittens. I'll do another. I'll do a little bit of a, start off with some powdered sugar. Don't worry about it. I'll leave the measurements in the description below with the ingredients. Okay, we're going to want a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to just do this as needed, but yeah, this, okay, we're just going to mix this in well together. Might need a little extra milk. Okay, we're going to take our donut here. We're going to put it in our glaze. Like I said, I'll leave the measurements in the description below. But Okay, this is what I like to do. I like to sprinkle all over here just to make it look prettier. Okay, let's take a look at this. Look at that mint. Ain't that a beautiful mitten right there? That's so delicious looking. Just take a look at this. We're gonna pull that apart. Look at that. See that? That is delicious. Oh my God, that is so good. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel, and if y'all enjoy my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss a notification, and I will see you next time.